Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to use indicators on Robinhood Easy Guide. Open the app and select a stock, then tap the chart to access chart settings. Choose indicators and add MACD, RSI, or SMA to start seeing momentum and trend direction. Adjust timeframes and parameter values to match your trading horizon, and practice combining two complementary indicators to improve signal reliability and reduce false alerts. In this video, I will show how to use indicators on Robinhood Easy Guide. Start with SMA or EMA to identify the main trend, then add RSI to watch for overbought or oversold conditions. Use MACD to confirm trend changes and watch for crossovers that align with price action. Keep indicator settings simple and avoid stacking too many tools, which creates conflicting signals and unnecessary confusion for decision-making. In this video, I will show how to use indicators on Robinhood Easy Guide. Favor higher timeframes like daily for trend context and lower timeframes for precise entries. Tailor SMA or EMA lengths to the asset's volatility and tweak RSI levels if needed. Combine a trend indicator with a momentum indicator to filter trades and reduce noise. Always test settings on paper trades before risking real capital.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.